Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to turn off notification on lock screen in itel phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting on your itel mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, click apps and notifications. Here in apps and notification, so okay, you all have to do is click notifications. And notification, you can see the on lock screen. So okay, you all have to do is click on lock screen. And the pop-up will show, and there are two options. Show all notification content and don't show notification at all. So okay guys, you all have to do is select don't show notification at all to turn off your notification on screen. So okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.